Hi, to lock and hide apps on your CMF phone 1, the first step, let me show you how to lock apps. For that, go in your phone settings, here find Apps tab, and now what we are gonna do is scroll down and find App Locker. So, here if you set up PIN code, password or pattern on your phone, you'll need to enter it. And after that, you would see this list of apps which you can basically lock. So for example, let's choose, Google Chrome. And now we can go in this lock app when and choose when screen is locked, or app exits. So let's select the second option. And now let's lock something else, for example, calculator. Now let's check this. I'm going to try to open my Google Chrome, and as you can see, it requires to verify my identity, so I can either use my fingerprint or I can tap here to use pattern, draw it, and now this app would be immediately unlocked. So we also locked calculator as far as I remember, so let's try to unlock it. And yep, as you can see, it requires verification as well. So to unlock apps, just go back in these apps, then in App Locker, draw pattern, and here simply remove checkmark from locked apps. And now let me show you how to actually hide apps. For that, we need to swipe up to enable app drawer. Now you can tap on three dots and you'll see this tab, hide app icons. So for example, I got already camera hidden, so I cannot find it in my home screen and in app drawer as well. So to hide something, you need to tap this plus on top of the app. Now two apps are hidden. So as you can see, Google Chrome disappears from my homepage. To unhide apps, you will need to tap minus, and now they will reappear on your home screen or in app drawer. So also you can swipe right, and here you can hide icons which you don't want to show in home screen and app drawer. So you can find this setting from here as well. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.